Good morning, students. Welcome to the virtual class of Information Technology of class 10th. Today, we are going to learn Unit 4 Web Applications and Security, 7th part. Our today's topic is creating and publishing web pages blogs. A blog is a discussion style site used by non-technical or technical users for creating personal web page. Blogs are similar to an online personal diary and simple to use. It means a blog is nothing but a free website where we can put our thoughts, our diaries, our personal diary, and our views on it. It is used by the non-technical means IT or non-professional IT person. Anybody can use it. We can use a blog to convey messages about events, announcements, news, and reviews. Blogs are usually managed using a web browser, and this requires active internet connection. We can also use offline blog software to create content first and later publish the content when an active internet connection is available. You have heard that many times persons write their views, their personal feelings in their personal diary. Rather than writing our views to our personal diary, we can share to everyone. If we are a good writer, either in Hindi or in English or in any other language, we can use the free website. It is called a blog. And we can also use offline blog. When it means we had first created our diary or we had written our post, but when we get the internet connection, then only we can publish it. There are hundreds of websites that offer blog services for free. There are some: www.wordpress.com, blogger.com, blog.com, weebly.com, blogsome.com. These are the websites in which we can use free services of a blog. Now, how to create a blog? Today we are going to learn create a blog in WordPress. WordPress is a free web service. I already told you these are all the free websites. Is a free web service that you can use to create a beautiful website, or we can say a blog. Blog or website is the same thing. WordPress has support for themes for customizing the design of a blog. So WordPress is one of the website which is a free available to all. We can create our account on it, and there are so many beautiful themes are available. Before you start using a blog account is required so that we can create any blog, and before it we had an account. So before making an account, we must have web browser or internet connection. When you open the web browser, in the address bar you have to type https://signup.wordpress.com/signup/ After that you have to put your blog address, username, email ID, and language. In which language you are writing your post. Then click on create blog. A activation mail will be sent to your mail ID. After activating, then your blog will be created. Your account is now active. In the wordpress.com, this window will appear. Now your blog is ready for use. Now you can publish anything on the above address. Once you have created a blog, you need to submit content that you want others to view. This is called posting content. To create a post, click on new here, Create a post, click on new post. This is the blank area. You can write your post and click on publish post. Then your post will be published. You have to write the title of the post like School Annual Day Function 2012. Click publish post to publish your content. Your post will be published. We can add photos, videos to the blog using the options available in WordPress. Anybody can leave the reply and comment in your blog also, and you can see all the comments and replies. In the enter your comment here type box, you can type your comment here. In the email required field, type your email address, your name, website, and your type blog address is optional, and click on post comment. Once you click on post comment, you will see the blog along with your comment and displayed here. Our next topic is using offline blog editors. It means if you are in a place where internet connection is not available, but you have a free time, you want to write something on your diary or something on your blog, then you can write your blog in the computer or in your laptop. Whenever you get the internet connection, then your blog will be published. If you don't have an active internet connection, you can create blogs using a blog application and publish the blog whenever internet connectivity is available. It is called offline blog. These are available and can be downloaded and installed on the computer. Like these are the free offline blog editors: Qmona, Windows Live Writer, and Blogdesk. These are the free offline blog editors. In this chapter, we will learn about Qmona. Qmona is a free blog application that is simple and easy to use. In this, you will learn about Qmona. But before working on the Qmona, you need to download and install Qmona. Qmona can be downloaded for www.qumanaQmona.com. Once installed, you can use the program to manage blogs. Once you have installed in your computer, then you have to open it, start programs Qmona and Qmona. A window will open, double click on it, a window will open. Here you have to write your existing blog account which you have made in the wordpress.com. You have to type the address of that blog, then click on next. You need to provide details of your WordPress account, and you have to give the WordPress blog address also. Type your username and password, click next and finish. Your Qmona will open with the WordPress blog address account. Now create a post, click on the click new post. A window will open. Enter the title of the post and title and post content in the area given below here. Click publish post. Your post will be published and the post will get automatically updated to your WordPress blog. But when it will be published, when your computer will get the internet connection. You can include photo, picture in your blog to make it more attractive. To insert a picture, here is a image button. Click on image. Image will be open. Browse. Click on the any picture and click publish. To view the published content along with the picture, open the web browser and type in your blog address. Now you can use Windows Live Writer and Blogdesk in the same as Qmona. Thank you.